Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Myself Shubham Shah. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunity provided by the Micron. Which opportunity is this? Where to apply? How to apply? What is the work role? What will be the roles and responsibility? Is it a hybrid? It is work from home or is it in office? All the things will be covered in today's video. So make sure that you are watching this video till end. If you are new to our YouTube channel, then I recommend you to please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon in order to get all the notifications in your homepage. Also, one more thing, we have already shared all the public link of our WhatsApp channels, communities, Facebook, Instagram. All the things will be provided in the video description. So make sure that you are watching this video till end, and after that you can visit the video description once for getting all the amazing opportunity link, and you can grab it from the same. If you want to connect with me personally for regarding internship and fresher job and career enhancement, I am providing an amazing training for you. All the details are mentioned in today's video, so you can watch the video till end, and I will be sending all the needful. So without wasting further time, let's go to our laptop screen for grabbing all these amazing opportunities. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the Micron's career platform where we have to seek an amazing internship opportunity provided by them. The position is for TD script design. So now let's talk about the job description. About Micron means will be covering firstly introduction about the company, and then we will moving to the roles and responsibility for the particular opportunity. Over 40 years, Micron's memory and storage solution have been foundational to innovation that have transformed the world into countless ways. Our technology and expertise are core to computers that boot up in an instant and work harder and faster. Mobile phones with brilliant screen resolution and long battery life, and new business models that are disrupting entire industry faster than ever, such as entertainment, manufacturing, and finance respectively. As a global leader in the memory and storage solution, we are transforming how the world uses information to enrich life by enabling technologies to collect, store, and manage data with unprecedented speed and efficiency. So at Micron India, you will be the part of one of the fastest ramps in the Indian semiconductor history and a great place to work certified organization. In about 4 years, we have built an operational footprint with 14 centers of scale and grow to over 3,500 team members respectively. Means here there are current employees at more than 3,500, and we nurture a culture that is fair, fearless, and fun that to work to enhance personal and professional. So now let's talk about the culture. So let's have a look. From a 4% semiconductor design company in the basement of a boys Idaho dental office in 1978 to the global multicultural organization advocating for social justice and striving to tip the scale toward a more equitable and sustainable world. Micron's culture is what drives its innovation and market leadership. Our diversity, equality, and inclusion DEI programs are globally recognized by and locally designed. Likewise, we are also offer a diverse set of learning options from self-directed winding pathway of knowledge to rigorous academic sprint. So now let's talk about the profile for the TD Scribe design. We are looking for an energetic and ambitious and result-driven individual with a strong work ethic and integrated to join us as an intern for the Scribe design engineer in Micron's technology development group. And in this role, you will be supporting development of advancement process technology through scribe test, structure, design and layout, CAD, and retail creation. You will be working with various tools and technology to provide decision making information to our system. You will be participating and collaborating with Micron's various design and verification team all over the world and support the efforts of group such as product engineering, test, process integrity, assembly and marketing, and other. Roles and responsibility includes the following. You will be helping to develop and document new methods to optimize trace structure, designs to record as design of record, defining best known method for your large learning and detail through process and the supporting data. You will be helping to build a strategy to automate the collection of both physical and electrical verification. You will be helping to improve visibility of electrical matrices and comparing the result to define target. Now let's talk about the requirement. I will be providing the application link in the description, so you can directly go to the this platform. Education requirement eligibility are as follows: validate analytical skill, experience in multitasking and driving complex project, concept of semiconductor processing and microfabrication, general understanding of schematic design and post layout simulation, basic understanding of device physics and semiconductor electrical fundamental, bachelor in electrical or engineering physics or electronics. So if you want to apply, then you can apply using the link provided below. Also, if you want more information about the same company, so you can be the part of our vibrant growing community. We will be providing with the all the community access link in the description. You can join it for free. In case you need any help and need my personal assistance, so I am providing personalized mentorship and career assistance sessions to the college student and fresher. So you can be the part of one of them. I will be providing you the session link along with the application link in this video, so you can grab the opportunity. Guys, if you are here, then you are really passionate for your career and want to grow your career, so I recommend you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon in order to get all the latest notification from our end. Guys, thank you so much for supporting us in our journey. Thank you so much. I will be seeing you in the next video with another great opportunity for you. Till then, take care and bye.